In the summer of 2020, a group of 36 people representing faculty, staff, students, parents, trustees, and alumni came together to examine diversity, equity, and inclusion at St. Andrew's Episcopal School. The group was named Together Saints. Following hours of discussion which contained shared experiences, observations, and reflections, the Together Saints Working and Leadership Group provided initial suggestions for what will become part of the school's strategic objectives for Together Saints. In 4 broad categories, our objectives touch on many aspects of our community and the ways they shape us. Enhancing the curriculum, facilitate continued growth of students and faculty, expand and honor diversity within our community, draw together our entire Saints community. Enhance the curriculum. We will review school-wide curriculum and teaching practices to reflect all sides of human difference. Facilitate continued growth of students and faculty. We will encourage and broaden opportunities for student leadership that model school values. Expand and honor diversity within our community. We will continue to prioritize a campus community where all feel safe, respected, and welcome. And finally, draw together our entire Saints community. We will extend to all constituencies opportunities for education and training related to issues of diversity, equity, and inclusion. St. Andrews is a community where we see the good that shines forth from each of us. The proposed objectives do not represent a particular political or cultural view. They are grounded in our belief that we are all God's children and that on our campuses, all are welcome. Learn more at gosaints.org/togethersaints.